Hurry, Pooh Bear. She'll be here any minute.
You're the dandelions you asked for, Rabbit.
No, not dandelions. Dandelions make me...
How am I going to stop? How am I going to stop?
Stop! No, no, no! I will not have this party ruined. Clean up that honey. Get rid of those dandelions. More balloons. Set the table. Everything must be perfect to welcome home.
Hello, everyone.
Huh? What's happening? What is it?
Cassie! Why, you're you! And you're here, Cassie. At last. Maybe that little birdie is the meal ticket we've been looking for. Come on. We got plans to plan.
I don't know, it's crazy something.